SAA Chairperson Dudu Myeni has been given another chance to appear in court today. Myeni failed to show up twice, saying she doesn't have the financial means to travel to Pretoria. The SAA Pilots Association and ATA want her declared a delinquent director. ENCA reporter Heidi Giokos joins us now with the story. So Heidi, Dudu is expected to appear in court. It's the third attempt. Any word on whether she's going to make it there, cough up the bucks to get her travel going?
I think everybody's waiting in anticipation to find out whether or not former SAA Chairperson Dudu Myeni will appear in court. She's been asked to be in court on Monday as well as on Tuesday. She did not appear, claiming that she's too broke and she doesn't have money to get from KZN to Pretoria, and she doesn't have enough money to get a legal team. There is no word yet on whether or not she will appear, whether or not she'll get herself to court. We do understand from Tuesday's proceedings that she says she's managed to get a senior counsel to do pro bono work for today, but one must remember that she wants this case postponed. She says that she's going to state certain reasons as to why she needs this case to be postponed, one being that she does not have enough money to proceed with this case. So we'll have to just wait and see at 10 o'clock whether or not she will appear or any legal representative will appear on her behalf.
She also had a deadline from the High Court to submit an affidavit by the end of business. Did that happen yesterday?
Exactly. So we understand that the lawyer that represented her on Tuesday, Daniel Mancha, informed ATA. ATA is the organization that's brought this case forward, together with the South African Pilots Association. The affidavit was apparently received, but it was not signed. There was no signature on it from Dudu Myeni, but we do understand that that affidavit was submitted. It wasn't submitted at 5 o'clock as the deadline, but apparently it was submitted around 6 o'clock last night. We're not sure what the affidavit says, because that needs to be read into court before we can hear or see or actually read that affidavit. So we'll have to wait and see at 10 o'clock what that affidavit says. But we also understand that with that affidavit is an application to postpone the case. So affidavit will speak to allegations as to her not being employed and why she doesn't have money, and the application will speak to reasons why she wants this case postponed.
And so we don't know yet if the case, they say they will go ahead, but if it will go ahead, if she doesn't pitch, and what is in the affidavit?
The case will go ahead with or without her. That is the word from Judge Renal Tolme, who's presiding over this matter. She made it very clear on Tuesday that the case will continue without her. She says she's given ample opportunity and chances to Dudu Myeni to present herself with a legal team, and she has not done so. That's why she was asked to give an affidavit on Wednesday. But the case goes on without her, so we are expecting ATA and SAA Pilots Association to bring in their first set of witnesses.
Thank you, Heidi.